Hello everyone, it's Flippin' Crazy, back to do something that I haven't done in a while. This is a huge jewelry jar. Actually it looks like a big terrarium or fish bowl. I just measured it and it's a lot bigger in person than it looks on camera, but it's almost 32 inches around. And it's about 9 inches tall. So it's quite large, it's quite heavy. I got this jar, I don't know, maybe back in May, I think, April or May. And I got it when the antique booth was having a sale, so I ended up getting this monstrosity for $20. So I figured let's open it up today and see what's in it. Just set this over here and just cut the top, and then I'll figure out location wise. This lady doesn't put tape on her, she puts cellophane. This is a lady I bought quite a few jewelry jars from so far, from the antique mall. Oh, this thing's huge. Okay. Let's see if we can go through this at a decent pace. Alright, I'm going to move this jar over to the side. You can see compared to my hand how big it is. Up here it looks smaller because my hand looks bigger because of the camera angle, but you can see actually how big this is compared to my hand. Okay, let me move it over and get a tub ready. I think I'll just set the camera there and see what we can do. First up, we have some mud earrings. And we have a tangle. We have this big Sophia and Kate necklace and earring set with a tangle of a necklace that has a regular price of $16.99 on it. It's got little V-shaped pendants. Okay. There's, oh, check that out. 5 Nights at Freddy's spinner watch. That's pretty cool. Like that. It's an actual 5 Nights at Freddy's. What is this? We have a earring jacket. Maybe the other one's in there. It says star. Watch. This set of bracelets. Van Heusen Studios. This looks like a belt. It's a belt. It's a big belt. Calvin Klein belt. With these like sort of concho style looking shapes on them. Where is that part? Where did I just read that? Here it is. Calvin Klein. Heavy. Bead strand. Leopard print beads. Here's the other earring jacket. Tangled up with stretchy bracelet. And I Love Zane. Another bead strand. Another bead strand. Okay, so I see that one. Alright, I think when they were thrown in, they just fell off their cards. Excuse me. So, there's this one. these. So if there's any cards ones like these, it has one little bird on it. The other one's probably in the jar, I'm going to assume. There's another onesie. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we're missing one of the Wednesdays. All different cuts of the stone, but it could be in here. Alright. We have this, which has to be untangled also. It's an ear cuff. So you wear this around your outside of your ear, and these dangle down. Ear wrap. It's an ear wrap. Bead gallery. Looks like chain. Excuse me. This bracelet. There's a lot of tangles in this. Try to save that until later. Alright, so we have this necklace, bead strand, well, there's another ear wrap here. It's got the cuff, so it attaches with a cuff onto around your ear. So the cuff might have come off the other one. This is a love necklace, another love necklace. This is just a big mess. And this is some kind of earring tangled up in it. And some other chain that doesn't look like it goes to anything. Excuse me. This is Claire's, and it looks to be a necklace with triangles, and tangled in with it is a necklace with like a leopard. Boy. Alright, so beads, another strand of beads, more beads, some kind of a choker, another one made with suede and a little chain link. This bangle, pretty wide, and Teddy's here. This says quartz. Watch with a mesh band on it. Another tangle we'll save till later. Or what is this? This might be another belt. Interesting. It's pretty. Here, here, here. Earring on it. You want this, Teddy? Teddy's here, everybody. Looks like faux amber. Here, you want to play with this? You can play with that while I'm working. Okay? You want to play with that one? You come over here and play with it if you want. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Oh, okay. I think we have a pair of these. Let's see. Alright, so it might be good on the pairs. Maybe I'll save the earrings till later. This is good for Halloween time right now. Skull earrings with long purple hair. Another bead strand. See you later, Ted. Guess he's not interested in this batch. It's been a while since he's been in a video too. These pretty beads, bead strand. Sorry, I apologize. I was outside and it irritated my throat. Okay, that's a big tangle. Bracelet. Sun pin. Move this closer to the light. Butterfly necklace. Pretty lightweight. Happy Father's Day cross pin. Interesting art glass necklace. Pretty. Looks like it might have some age to it. Heavy. A wreath pin without the pin on the back. Good for repurpose. Owl keychain. Another bead strand. Peace sign bracelet. This is a memory wire bracelet with little bonus hair with little tassels hanging from them. Cute boho look. This is another single earring, unless it's in there. We'll find out toward the end. Southwestern style. There's a Merry Christmas pin. Badge. Badgeman Fox Valley. Interesting. It's like those name tag thingies for your work uniforms. This one says Merry Christmas. These are interesting looking. Bird earrings. I can't see them. Small, and they have a glare on them from the metal. They're very cute. Those are the backs on them. This is called Collections. Surgical steel posts. This looks tarnished like sterling would get. I'm going to have to look at these a little closer. It might not be what originally came on this card. That's what I find a lot too. You get stuff and the name that's on the card is not the actual item that's attached to it. Okay, so there's that. And these might be sterling. I'll have to take them apart and look later. Oh, what is this? It has a blade. This is a clever cutter. Okay. Use that to open boxes and packages. These look like tarnished sterling to me. Little triangle shaped post earrings. This teacher is a hero. Pin. A pendant. Old Friends Senior Dog Sanctuary. Done on a shell. Very cute. These are neat. Hot pink wire. Bracelet. Toggle bracelet. There we go. GameDayBangles.com. And this is ribbon, and it's done in whatever colors of that team that it was made for. This is some kind of a zipper pull. A real shell pin. Hematite. Religious figures, saints and such. Bracelet. This is a old pin missing 2 stones. There. This is interesting. Okay. This is a purple necklace, big and chunky. Very cool. Some kind of natural, made of some natural, not sure what it's made of. Birthday prayer, little angel pin. Oh, this part broke off of it. The mother of pearl flower broke. This is like a, that's how it went together. I see. Probably the weight from the thing being in the jar and everything, so that's no good. It was a necklace. Good for repurpose. This is a barrette that is missing its fold over part, and it's all inlaid with rhinestones and a couple baguettes. Another earring. What is this? This is a cola and hamburger pin made by Carrington Renta, and you're supposed to wear that. Interesting. I really like the hamburger. It's very cute, handmade. These pretty earrings, made to look like butterfly wings, but they're not real. They're very light and airy and pretty, like taffeta sort of, or organza material. Very feminine. This pin, which is missing 1 stone right here. Otherwise, it's really nice looking. No name. It's had a $4 price on it, and I don't see a name. It's a slider watch, slider style. Good shape. And this is something. This was a pin, I suppose. Leaf. Another religious bracelet. This one's wood, stretchy. I wanted to get to this. This is pretty cool. 2-tone metal choker. Neat. Not signed, not marked, anything. Could have been somebody's project from school or whatnot. That's pretty cool looking. Alright, what else do we have here? We have a cross necklace. We have a wide watch band, leather, a kitten barrette bow, and you can use it as a pin. This is, I guess it's a bracelet, but it's tricolor metal, but there's some wear on the back of the copper colored ones. If you just have it on like this, well, no, it's wearing on both sides. That's a shame. Oh, and this has to be reattached, but that could possibly be repaired or repurposed. Alright, there's this necklace. This bracelet, which is crocheted, it's got a coconut shell button on it, and it's loaded with seed beads. Pretty. I'm just going to dump out what's left. Okay. see what we have. This box has a collar stay, I think they're called. You just clip each side of the collar on these like that. I don't know if it's Liz Claiborne or not, or they just threw it in here. I'll have to look for a mark later. It's an older box though. Timex, part of a watch, bracelet, religious, one of those felt things. Little bunny earrings, but the body's gone off of one of them. Here's a stretch ring, but it's missing one of the stones. Might be here, might not, who knows. I get these all the time, these little angel pins. This is a Santa pin, Santa face, made out of cinnamon stick. We have a bull keychain. Let's see what's left here. Here's a turtle cuff link. Here's an old barrette. Two birds, cute. Here's a pair of copper earrings, hammered copper. Angel pin. Proud to be a military kid. Dog tag shaped pendant on a ball chain. Oh, here's another one of those barrettes. White birds. These earrings, rhinestones. This is okay. We have a pair flamingo earrings. We have these carved stone polar bear earrings, which I'm thinking these might be sterling, and these, I'm going to have to check the stone. They have little blue eyes, if you can see them from here. They have little dots of blue for eyes. I like those, they're very cute. This is for your hair grabber. D pin, missing, no, maybe, I don't know if they're missing. Doesn't look like there's spots for them. I don't think they're missing any. Not signed. We have a lot of these might have been in one piece, but then from being in that jar, the weight of the other stuff just broke the backings off and such. Okay, these are flamingo earrings also. This is a pin. Disabled American Veterans Auxiliary Life Member. This is Learn Something New? Yeah. Learn something new today. Another wood religious bracelet, stretchy. This pin with some string hanging off of it. Let's see if I can get these apart. Okay, these are like Southwestern, like two cattle skull earrings. This bracelet. It's got a cool fly design on there. I don't know if you can see it good enough. And it's raised. It's on both sides. It's an adjustable bracelet. Teeny tiny, maybe ear cuff, toe ring, I don't know. It's an anchor. This necklace. This bracelet. Pretty wide woven links bracelet. What is this? Maybe the other one's here. Is that it? No. Okay, so far I only have one of these. I have a pair of these. Here. Little tassel earrings. Cute. Black and white with on gold tone metal. This is a moon barrette, pumpkin pin. That is another pin. Not sure. I'm not sure what this says. Is it E? It's got stones in it. Not signed. Another pumpkin pin. What is this? Okay, so let's see if we have another one of those. Some kind of cheerleader pin, and the backing screws on. Excuse me. I'll try to untangle some of this. Leopard print bracelet. This is interesting. I'm going to have to fix this up. What is this name on here? Cookie Lee. Doesn't look like any Cookie Lee ones I've seen. Kind of got bent a little. I'm going to have to fix it up. I don't know. Maybe repurpose. But it's got these cool wraparound thingies. It's a neat grouping of stuff the way it was put together. That. What is this? Is this one thing? I don't know if this is one thing or two things. It's a necklace. Ethel and Myrtle. We have a New York necklace that's a little tangled. It's got these on it. Alright, what are we down to here? Oh, that's interesting. This is a fly magnetic earring. And let me get that off. This is pretty. Stone necklace, maybe onyx or glass. I don't know. I'll have to look at this closer later. Very pretty. Very pretty. Let's see what we got left here. Our Kids pin. Well, somebody liked flamingos. So we have this set of flamingo earrings. Oh, this is pretty, and it's broken. Okay, it was pretty. Rose, made out of coral and jade. Oh, I don't don't see anything marked on the back, but I'll get a closer look to make sure it's not 14K or anything. That's a shame, because that's a really pretty, was a really pretty piece. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, let's get that guy out. These are super cute. Handcrafted. These are little frog earrings. I like them. They're adorable. Alright, what's next? Stretchy. Another ear wrap. Miscellaneous earrings. And there's these flamingo earrings. Let's see what we got here. These fish earrings. I don't see their match here. And we have, if I can get this apart. Come on. Okay, let me get a look at it. That's nice. This necklace doesn't appear to be missing any stones. It's not signed. Another one of these leaves. I don't know what it's from. This is an ear cuff. Just clip that onto your ear. Outer part of your ear. Little dream catcher. We have, do I have another one of these? Alright, this was a cute zebra pendant, but his legs are all broken off, so he's no good. We have this gold cross earring set. I'm going to put them aside to look at them a little closer. We have some kind of tennis pin here. Miscellaneous earrings. This earring with peacock on it. No match. There's a scarf clip. What else? There's a Jelly Belly owl pin with no belly. It's got red eyes. I'll look for a signature later. We have a pair of pink cat earrings. A cross pin. Some kind of token. Okay, I have the second one of those fish. There's the fish again. So I have a pair of those. I have a pair of these. I'm trying to show you these. A pair of those. Pretty. What is this brand? Banana Republic, cubic zirconia, adjustable copper toned bracelet. I'm just going through here. I'll check all the little post earrings to see if any are marked. What is this? Some kind of another angel pin. Angel pin. Miami Beach pendant. Let's see, do you match? Leopard print heart earrings. Let me see, the pair to that. I have these parrot earrings. Bee pin. Have pair of Halloween looking cat earrings. There's this earring, which I don't see a match to. This is a tangled up necklace with a couple pair of earrings in it. Cat's eye stone. Big mess. Jessica pin. What is this? This is just something broken pendant off of something. Dalmatian dog earrings. We have cow earrings. And then we just have this batch of miscellaneous stuff here. I'll check these for any markings. This one has a pretty shamrock on it. I'm not sure if that's stone or not. I'll check. Let's see what else I might have here. I think I have two of the turtles. Yep. Turtle earrings. Cute. These red heart earrings. Broken parts of a pin. I don't really see much of anything else here. Dragonfly. This is just all miscellaneous stuff here, what's left. I'll just show you really quick. Not much. I just have to go through and just make sure there's nothing marked that I can scrap. But that's basically it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed me going through this jar, and I'll try to put out more content in another couple days. Here's another ear cuff with a feather on it. It just caught my eye. Little unicorn. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.